Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Allegheny County in western Maryland, northeastern Monroe County in eastern West Virginia, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Frostburg, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cumberland, Frostburg, Bel Air, Long Vale, Lamachinning, Ridgely, Crescenttown, Potomac Park, Wiley Ford, Eckhart Mines, Mount Savage, Rawlings, Ellerslie, Corriganville, Midland, Midlothian, Woodland, Patterson Creek, Kitzeau and Short Gap. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.